Hey guys, it's Steph with Bain, and we are in my kitchen again today. Today we are making a hummingbird cake. So if you have never heard of hummingbird cake, this is what it looks like. And it's called hummingbird cake for one simple reason, not because it has a hummingbird in it. No. It is called hummingbird cake because it is sweet like nectar, and it has bananas, crushed pineapples, pineapple juice, vanilla, cinnamon. It's going to have a cream cheese buttercream frosting on it, toasted nuts, which I've already done everything. Everything's prepared. I'll get to the ingredients here in just a second, and you'll know exactly what you'll need. Don't forget, go ahead when you got all these ready and your pans prepared. You're going to need 3 9-inch pans, and it's going to make 3 layers high. Go ahead and get everything prepared, and then you want to start that oven and get it prepped, okay? If you're new here, guys, please take the time for me and press that subscribe button. Tap that bell so that you'll get notified of any new videos that I'm uploading. Stay tuned with me. I do all kinds of stuff. If you have any questions on the cake itself, just don't forget, leave me a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like my video and share my video. Sharing is caring, and it means a lot to me because it gets my name basically out there, guys. And just spread my name for me, help me out, and I really truly appreciate all of you that are already subscribed and that always stay tuned and leave me love and support me in comments. And let us get started, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, let's take a look at the ingredients that you will need. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3 cups of all-purpose flour already sifted, 2 cups of mashed ripe bananas, 2 cups of chopped and toasted pecans. To toast the pecans, bake at 350 for 5 minutes. 1 cup of crushed pineapples already in juice, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 3 large eggs that are already lightly beaten, and 3 9-inch pans that are already prepped and ready. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start. We have all the flour already in here. It's been sifted. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the salt, the cinnamon, and the baking soda. And we're just going to whisk all of that together. And guys, the good thing about this cake is you do not need a mixer or anything. You can just use a spoon or a spatula or whatever. So make sure all of these dry ingredients are mixed very, very well. Okay, and after you get that done, we're going to go ahead and start adding some of the wet ingredients. All right, so let's go ahead and add the vegetable oil. I'm going to remove this, and we're just going to use a spatula, guys. So we're going to add that. We're going to add the eggs. Okay, and the vanilla. All right. Now we're just going to stir this with a spatula until it's pretty well combined. Okay, so just a spatula is fine. You're going to do a little bit of stirring, but you also want to do kind of like a folding technique, and I have explained that before, and I'll put it up at the link up top on one of my other videos where I explain folding. Okay, so as you can see, it's a really hard texture. But make sure they're all pretty well combined. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the pineapple and the pineapple juice. And let's go ahead and add the sugar. And the banana. Give me 1 second. Okay. Now we're just going to keep stirring this. I'll fast forward until everything is well combined. And then we'll add the nuts, okay? Alright, now guys, we're only going to add 1 cup. This is 2 cups of nuts. I'm going to add about half. The rest can be used for sprinkling or whatever you want to do with it. So I'm hoping y'all can see all of this. Now guys, I'm sure mine won't all be exactly the same height, and that's fine. We'll just get it as best as we can. And then we'll go from there. Now guys, you want to bake this cake for about 20 to 25 minutes. And just keep checking it and making sure. I may want to scoop a little bit out of there. A little bit out of there. Just making sure they're all pretty even, as fair as I can. Okay. All right, you just want to shake them up a little bit, make sure they're spread evenly throughout the pans. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna bake these. Guys, it smells so, so good. 20 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and say about 22, 23 minutes, but just keep an eye on it, and you'll know when it starts to kind of pull apart from the sides, or something in the center, like a toothpick or something, comes out clean, okay? All right, let's go ahead and I'll come right back. Wasn't that easy? All right, guys, so I've had these in the freezer for about an hour to let them start chilling down. And I'm gonna go ahead, I've already made my cream cheese buttercream. And it's a little stiffer than I like, but that's fine. And we're just gonna start spreading it and then make like a crumb coat. And then I'll come back and do the final coat and decorate it and all that. So just watch how I do it, and you know, you do not have to do it exactly like I'm doing it. This is just the way I do things personally. You can do this any way you want. You can just slap it on. I mean, it's up to you. But I just do mine this way. So I'll go ahead and I'll fast forward this. We'll layer each one, fill them in, and then we'll go ahead and let you see how I do this, okay? All right. And I'm just gonna go back over and clean it up a little bit better. Okay. And now I'm gonna sprinkle some nuts. And that is it, guys. So guys, if y'all liked this, please, please, please give me a thumbs up, like it, and don't forget to subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Share it out, blow this up, let everybody see it, and help get my YouTube channel out there so everybody will know about me. And I thank y'all. Have a good day, and God bless everyone. Yummy. This looks so good.